Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. And if you're new to this channel, kindly smash on the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so anytime I upload a new video you guys will be notified. So here in this video we're going to be looking out on how to post gig on Fiverr platform, or how to publish a gig on Fiverr platform. So be it any kind of service you actually want to offer on the Fiverr platform. So before you do anything, after setting up a profile, the next thing for you is just to publish or post your gig on the Fiverr platform so that the buyers will be able to find your gig or find your profile and be able to purchase your service on the Fiverr freelancing marketplace. So the first thing you actually need to do is just head up to your Fiverr dashboard, then click on my business, because Fiverr have changed all these features recently. I think that happened last week. So before you'll be able to see all these options listed here, so they just change all these options to under a drop down under my business. So we still have some other details on the growth and marketing, which is scale your business, contacts, and Fiverr length. So under the analytics we have overview, and then the repeated business, which are repeat buyers on your account. So all you just need to do, if you actually want to publish or post a gig on Fiverr, next thing to do is just click on the my business, then come down to gigs. So but if you're trying to run a new account, I guess that one is actually different. So all you have to do is, when you're trying to set up your account, you'll be directed to creating a gig on your profile. So but if you are not directed to create a gig on your profile, you can still use this method. So just head up to Fiverr homepage, then just click on switch to selling. So once you click on switch to selling, you'll be able to see all the options here. So then from there you'll be able to click on gigs. So once you click on gigs, then you'll be able to create your gigs. So these are the existing gigs that I have on this account, so that's why I can see them. But you trying to set up a new account, you won't be able to see any gig. So just come down here to create a new gig, so which is like posting a new gig. So just click on it. So once you click on it, you'll see what we have. So this is where you started creating your gig. So be it any kind of service you actually want to render on Fiverr marketplace, the next thing for this is just input your gig title. Let's say for instance I will manage, the I will is already there, so you don't have to type that one again. So I will manage your YouTube channel from scratch with organic growth. So let's, for instance, this is my gig title. So as you can see here, we have category suggestion, which my gig should belong to. So and my gig belong to this category here, which is video marketing. So I just click on video marketing here. So you have seen where your gig also belong to once you type in your gig title. So but if you don't know where your gig should belong to, so you can either come to Fiverr, then search for the category where your gig belongs to. So once you search for the category, that is for instance video marketing, and search for video marketing now. I'm coming. Video marketing. Oh, okay, I think it's here. Okay, this video marketing under digital marketing. So I'll just click on the video marketing here. Then I'll check on the existing sellers on this platform, on this page. So once I see the existing sellers, so I'll check on their own category where their gig belongs to. Then with that, I'll be able to choose the right category for my own gig as well. So as you can see, this gig says that I will complete YouTube partner program requirement. So this is another service entirely. So I'll search for YouTube Manager, or I can either put the keywords in this search here. So once I input the keyword, I'll be able to find the right gig, and then I'll use that one to follow which category my gig should belong to. So if I take my time, I'll also find the gig here on this page, and I'll be able to do the right thing, then selecting the right category for my gig. So after that, then I'll just complete this section here. Then I'll select this service type, which is video SEO. We have video promotion under the video marketing as well. So since I'm managing a YouTube channel, so I'll just choose video SEO here. Then I will search for the keywords that buyers are actually searching on Fiverr. So I can just search for YouTube Manager. So searching for YouTube Manager, I'll be able to see keywords that people are actually using on Fiverr for this service. So as you can see here, these are the suggestions that Fiverr also provide, which I can also use on my gig. So YouTube monetization, YouTube marketing, YouTube growth, YouTube promotion, YouTube SEO. So these are the keywords I can also input on my gig. But aside from that, you can also put yourself in the buyer's shoe. Like, if you actually need this kind of service, so what will you search for on Fiverr, or what would you search for online? So what you search for is what you input in this section. So you have to input 5 keywords. So let's say, for example, I want to input YouTube Manager, YouTube growth, YouTube SEO, YouTube ranking. So these are the keywords that I have in my mind, that if I'm searching for this kind of service, these are the kind of keywords I will input on the search to find the right person for what I actually need. So remain one. So let me try to check. Let's say YouTube growth, YouTube promotion. Yes, YouTube promotion. So these are the keywords that I will definitely search if I need someone that can manage my YouTube channel. So once I set up everything, then I'll click on save here. So once you click on save, you'll be able to see the next category for your gig, which is the pricing and the scope of the service you actually want to offer on Fiverr. So I might not be able to explain what kind of service you actually render. So this is just the service I offer. So I'll be able to set up the account or the gig on my own interest. So I'll input everything here. So everything. So just proceed till the end. So you can just click on save and continue. Then till you reach the description as well. Then input the frequently asked question. Then requirements, what you actually need from clients before you proceed on that project. Then also, as well as the category gallery, so which require you to input gig video, gig thumbnails. So after that, then just head up to the publish section. So once you publish your gig, then your gig will be live here, and you'll be able to see your gig under this list. Incoming. So let me try to switch to selling. Then click on my gig again. So I'll be able to see the gig here on this page. So the gig will be here, which is under active. So, and Fiverr also tell you that you should try to promote your gig once you publish it, like sharing your gig on social media platforms, which are literally the best way to promote your gig and to find audience for your gig. And also this also help you if you are a new seller on Fiverr and you just publish or post your gig on Fiverr. So once you share your gig on social media platform, you'll be able to get tractions and clicks and impression as soon as possible for your gig. Then you'll be able to get your gig rank or put it in front of the right audience who might actually want to purchase your service on Fiverr Marketplace. So this is just the best way to post your gig on Fiverr to start making money online. So if you have any question regarding this video, so you can drop a comment, or regarding any question based on Fiverr platform, so you can drop a comment and I'll reply to it as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel because it really means a lot to me. Thank you.